Hi guys, it is Monday, May 4th, and this is the last video I'm going to be recording for you. That's crazy. Couple of things that I want to draw your attention to really quickly. It looks like a long list, and so I'm going to be posting this on Classroom. I'm just going to screenshot this slide and then I'll post the slide on Classroom. So that way you can go back to it and read everything I need you to know. Okay, so this is the last week I'm giving you assignments, and I've been pretty easy on you. You have not had much to do for me. So this is the last week I'm giving you anything to do. If you look at it, the first thing, most of you have given me your senior websites, but if you haven't, please do that. And one more thing you need to do, even if you have given me your website, is go back and make sure that it's published and make sure that you have made it viewable by anybody. Okay, so not just by Monroe Local Schools websites, but make sure that it's viewable by anybody who has the link. So not just your website, but any documents that you put on your website, just go back into the settings and make sure they are viewable or people won't be able to read them when they click on them. I'm sharing them with Mrs. Norsworthy tonight, and she's going to add them to her classes and then share it out um, for people in the community to see. So I'm super proud of your websites. They look fabulous, those of you who turned them in. If not, please get them to me today. Um, they're super late. Okay, so number two, this is your only assignment this week. It is your last week of high school. It is your last week as a Monroe student, and I know it has not felt like you are a Monroe student right now. Anyway, I know it's terrible, but this is it. And so what I want you to do, this is a super easy assignment and something you really should want to do anyway to reflect on your time here at Monroe. For some of you, you've been here since you were 5. That is a long time. So what I want you to do, it's highlighted in blue there, is email 4 teachers. Any 4 teachers. They could be high school teachers, middle school teachers, elementary, primary, any 4 teachers or administrators or lunch ladies or school nurses or coaches. Um, and just tell them thanks. Thank you for what you did for me. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for pushing me. Thank you for encouraging me. I'm going to miss you. Maybe tell them the impact that they had on your life that they may not realize that they had. Trust me, as a teacher, that stuff means more than anything. And since it's Teacher Appreciation Week and your last week of school as a Monroe student, I think it would be really cool. So what I want you to do for your assignment is to shoot out 4 emails and then email me the list of the 4 teachers that you emailed. So just email any 4 teachers that you choose and then send me their names. Just send me a quick email that says Mr. Berklow, Ms. Meeker, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Hold on. Sorry. So send me that email. And then I highlighted in green. If you do more than 4, I will give you extra credit. Okay, here's Milo. Milo, say hi. Oh, there goes Milo. Okay, so if you do any more than 4, I will give you extra credit. I know some of you. Shh, I'm recording a video. Sorry, that was Amos. If you do more than 4, I know some of you need extra credit. So if you need extra credit, send 5 or 6 emails. Okay, just list the names of the teachers that you emailed. There in orange, make sure you finish your slide for the Smile project. I want to send that over by Wednesday. So that's a grade that's going to be in the grade book. Make sure it's very easy. Just make a slide really quickly. Okay, all the instructions are there. Most of you have done that. And then number 4, highlighted in pink, it says, I need to know if you are not going to be home after lunch on Monday. Not today, obviously, next Monday. Next Monday is your last day of school as a Monroe student. So I want to know if after 12:30, 1 o'clock, if you will not be home, like if you are working or something like that. Or if you get on Progress Book and your address is wrong in there, let me know that too. I'm not going to say any more than that. But please let me know if you will not be home after lunch on Monday. Okay. Or if you'll be home sometime on Monday, but like only for a little bit of time, just send me your hours that you'll be home. Again, I'm going to post this slide on Classroom so you can reread it, so you can know everything you need to know. Oh, there's Owen. And that's it. I'm going to go because my kids are all coming inside. So I will, oh, there's Milo again. I will talk to you soon. Bye.